Hello everyone and welcome back to VidHacks, the channel where we help you become a successful YouTuber. Today, we're going to talk about how to use YouTube Live to connect with your audience in real time. As a YouTuber, one of the best ways to engage with your audience and build a community is through live streaming. With YouTube Live, you can easily connect with your viewers in real time, answer their questions, and receive immediate feedback. In this article, we'll show you how to use YouTube Live to connect with your audience and create engaging content. Step 1. Enable live streaming on your channel. Before you can start live streaming on YouTube, you need to enable the feature on your channel. To do this, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and have no live stream restrictions in the last 90 days. Once you meet these requirements, you can go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on the Live tab, and follow the prompts to enable live streaming on your channel. Step 2. Plan your live stream content. Once you have enabled live streaming on your channel, it's time to plan your content. You want to make sure that your live stream is engaging, informative, and provides value to your viewers. Consider doing a Q&A session, a behind-the-scenes look at your channel, or even a live tutorial. Make sure to promote your live stream beforehand to get your viewers excited and generate interest. Step 3. Set up your live stream. Now that you have your content planned, it's time to set up your live stream. You can either use YouTube's built-in live streaming tool or use a third-party software like OBS or Streamlabs. Make sure you have a good quality camera and microphone to ensure that your viewers can see and hear you clearly. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Once your live stream is up and running, it's time to engage with your audience. This is the most important part of a live stream, as it's your chance to connect with your viewers and build a community. Answer their questions, respond to their comments, and acknowledge their presence. Encourage them to interact with you by asking questions and participating in polls. Step 5. End your live stream and follow up when your live stream is over. Make sure to thank your viewers for tuning in. You can also remind them to like and subscribe to your channel. After your live stream, consider following up with your viewers by responding to comments, sending a thank you message, or even creating a highlight reel of your live stream. And that's it for today's video on how to use YouTube Live to connect with your audience in real time. We hope this information was helpful to you and that you'll start live streaming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to become a successful YouTuber. See you in the next video.